Hi, it's Sports Dr. Nancy Rolnick, and I am really excited to receive my new box here. This is my new Pnoe metabolic testing that's going to help shift people's health into a new path of revitalization of their health, a renewal to help reverse aging, reduce heart disease, help patients lose weight, and also best their best times by doing VO2 max testing. So let's take a look at what's inside. Ooh, Pnoe! Here it is. Investing in your health is the best place to put your money. So here is the mask, and this mask will be situated over your mouth and nose like this. And just by breathing in oxygen and breathing out carbon dioxide, we'll be able to give great information, precise information about your own basal metabolic rate, about the way that your body is using energy sources like fat or carbs, and find out ways to make that more efficient. And so through this testing in my office, we'll be able to give data and retest again after making strategic planning to optimize your health or optimizing your performance out on marathons or triathlons or in Spartan races. So if you're looking to best your best, or if you're looking to optimize your health the best you can, this testing is going to help you have precision medicine to guide your choices and modify your lifestyle habits. I hope with this testing that you will invest in yourself to find out the most precise ways to get your health as optimal as possible. I'm super excited to bring this to the Bay Area. I'm the first practice in the Bay Area to bring this type of technology in an office setting so that you can find your best health. And I'd love to help you find that.